Hello. Hello, my name is Daniel. I'm from Sivan Bihar, an alma mater student, WD2401B cohort student. Today I'm going to explain my capstone project of backend module where I have to build full stack movie ticket booking app. In this project, the problem statement is straightforward. First, I have to set up the backend. Here's the backend folder. Backend with technologies like Express, Node, Ghost, Mongoose. Then I have to make APIs. It is also called as endpoints for movie ticket booking and the getting the last booking details. Similarly, in front end using React.js, I have to build a single page app where I have to call these APIs which is I have mentioned in backend and get the data and hooked up in the UI. So so that let's jump into the code for a better explanation. First, I am going to explain the my server folder here. In this folder, there are a couple of directories or database, images, models, and routes, tests. Uh, first, uh, first, I am going to explain the index.js, where the entry point of the server folder. I am initializing the express and goes for cross-origin access and getting the routes, authentication routes, and authentication middleware connection. And here the connection folder using Mongoose. Using Mongoose, here the I'm trying to connect the MongoDB here and exporting the connection and the model book movie is the schema. It's yeah, is the schema of the movie booking. And now at the middleware for the authentication, I'm using the JWT authentication. And so yeah, pretty much straightforward. Here's the routes. Make the using Express, I'm defining the two routes. Get booking for getting the last details of booking here, and post endpoint here for booking and storing MongoDB database. Okay, okay. Now let's see the client folder, which is my client side folder where I get all the details and data in my SASE directory. There is also auth folder for login sign up and protected for JWT authentication and components. These are the different components which is used in here. Book My Show app, which is a single page app, and calling all the components movie selector. These components are basically component where I'm selecting the movie, selecting the time slot, and seat selector button from when user click on this book now button. When user click on the book now button, it will handle the booking and updating the all state which is initializing here. And in my handle booking, I'm calling the API which is created in backend with the API URL here. Uh, I'm hosting the backend in on Render. So the URL is this URL comes from the Render, and once I fetch the once I get the post call with the authorization and body means booking data here, booking data, selected movies, selected slots, selected seats, and all that. And lastly, I'm updating the states here and clearing the states with state value for initial value for next booking. So here's the UI and all my components here. Okay, now I'm going to show you mm, the actual application in my web on my localhost here. So that I have to log in. I'm going to sign up for that. Mm, the 123 and my password goes. It will take some time just because I'm hosting the backend on Render as a free service. So yeah, here's the home page of my application. Basically the main page, and I'm going to show you how you book the movie tickets. First, like the any movie which you want. I'm selecting 10. The time slot 1 p.m. How many seats you want to. I'm selecting A1 2 and A4 maybe 2 and click on the book now. This will book successfully, and once it booked, the last booking details is here. It's automatically get updated. That's it. That's it for this project.